Good morning, Cardinals. Welcome back to another great week at Nedrose Elementary. Today is Monday, April 8th, 2024, and we will start out right away with our Monday morning message. So if you remember, we are talking about friendship skills, and last week we talked about inviting others to play, and this week we're going to talk about playing fairly. At our school, we play in fair ways. Being able to play fairly with others will help you make and keep friends. When you can't agree on how to play together or make a decision, it's a problem. Finding a respectful way to agree on rules during a game helps you get along better with others. Sharing, trading, and taking turns are also fun and fair ways to play together. Think about how you can play fairly with friends this week. So if you think back, it said when you can't agree, it's a problem. And what did we just get done talking about in our last month? Problem solving, right? So then you go ahead and use those problem solving steps. All right, we'll continue with that next week. Lunch today is tater tot, hot dish, and green beans. Breakfast tomorrow morning is omelets and hash browns. We've only got one birthday to celebrate today, and it is not a student birthday, but if you are over at the high school building and you see Mr. Schmaltz today, it is his birthday, so you should wish him a happy birthday. All right, girls basketball, 5th and 6th grade, you guys travel just across town to our Redeemers to take them on today. Good luck. Weather, it's going to be kind of rainy this morning, possibly turning cloudy this afternoon. Maybe even a little snow mixed in there, so we'll have to see what our weather does today. All right, but tomorrow looks to be a nice day. And along those lines of weather, I'm sure you guys, I don't know if this is really weather or not, but kind of, you guys have heard about an event that is going to happen today. And I know that some of your teachers have talked to you about this because I've popped into your classrooms and heard them. So today, across the United States and the world, they're going to be experiencing a solar eclipse. So what is a solar eclipse? Okay, in very, very simple terms, if we understand how the earth rotates and the sun and the moon, right? When the earth travels around the sun, that is 1 year. When the earth rotates, right, with the moon, that's a day. Okay, we're not going to get into the scientific stuff. However, when the moon lines up right directly in front of the sun, it causes a solar eclipse. It blocks out the sun's light. So, it's pretty cool that that's happening. So I'm going to give you a few little facts on solar eclipse. So, if the moon and the sun didn't take up the same amount of space in the sky, we would not have a total solar eclipse. So the moon happens to be about 400 times smaller than the sun and 400 times closer to the sun, so they fit just right when they line up. Okay, let's see. The other thing that I want to tell you is the next total solar eclipse to cross the United States will not occur until 2044. So that's 20 years from now. So in 20 years, that's when they're expecting to have the next total solar eclipse. Now, today, we don't get to see a total solar eclipse, okay? We would only see a partial solar eclipse just because of where we are. But in 20 years, the path of the total solar eclipse is actually expected to cross Montana, South Dakota, and North Dakota. So in 20 years, we would have a really good chance to be in the path of that total solar eclipse. Unfortunately, today, it's going to be cloudy, so we probably wouldn't be able to see anything anyway today. And in order to look at that eclipse, you have to have special eyewear. So not something we probably have to worry about today, but cool event that's happening. And I know there's been a lot of talk about it, so you guys are probably aware of it. Okay, I think we got everything. If you have not, teachers, if you have not sent students up to grab their Kids Heart Challenge rewards, please make sure you do that this morning. And that's all I have for you guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Remember to always show great cardinal character. You may go ahead and stand for the pledge.